Whoa! Sounds amazing! A pop tube symphony! Ashley, help out! My backpack got torn! Don't worry, it's fixable! We'll make straps from pop tube! That's it! Do you like it? Thank you, Ashley! Arnold always puts the key on the top shelf. Hey, can't reach it! Arnie! I can't reach the key! Hold on! Key Legos! It's pretty and easy to reach. Thanks! Bye! I'm almost done styling my hair. Oh, I know! I'll borrow a pop tube and use it to make a great bun. Ready! I like it! Today, I will turn Coke and gelatin into a yummy dessert. Put gelatin in a bottle. Twist the cap on, shake, and meanwhile, you go subscribe. And let it sit in the fridge. How did it turn out? Let's try! Coke flavored Jell-O! I have a tube! I have something better! What? I need a bigger pop tube! Time to brush my teeth! Two minutes and I'm done! But where do I put my toothbrush? I know! A clothespin will make a perfect stand! Good morning! I'll brush my teeth. Aw, man! I'm out of toothpaste! I'll take 2 pencils and fasten them with a rubber band. This is enough toothpaste. I hope I didn't forget anything. Oh no, it's stuck. Can't close it. Chapstick, of course. I'll apply some to the zipper. Yay, it worked. Ashley is furious, and she's hurting the wall. Pop tube. The wall is safe now. Hello, Egg. Oil splashes everywhere. How do you avoid them? I know. Plastic protection made out of a Coke bottle. I'll get a spatula. My breakfast is saved. And my skin is safe too. Bon appetit. Whoa! I found a seed in an orange. I hope I can grow a tree from it. A shell will be a flower pot. Add soil. Grow tall. Remember to water it. Ooh. You're gonna love the sun. And here's a new shelf for tools. Except it's not very handy. An old rake. I have an idea! I'll screw it to the wall and get a multi-purpose tool shelf! Wonderful! Help me open my Coke! Hold on! We need a wrench! It'll make a nice opener! Whoa! This is for you! I can't find my slippers! What? Arnold! I like them too! Get your own pair! Right! I'll make my own slippers! I'll wrap my foot in foil and cover it in construction foam. Now I have unique slippers! Whoa! My hairstyle is too boring! Pop tube! It's better than regular hair curlers! The curls are wonderful! The cord keeps falling! It's so annoying! A binder clip! Of course! 3 wires, 3 clips! Now they're secure! My lips could be bigger! I'll add volume! A pop tube vacuum! I think it worked! My sister was in a rush again! There's part of a pipe left after our remodel! It made a great organizer! Freshly squeezed orange juice! It's my favorite! Come on! It's not working! Help me squeeze some juice! 1 second! Making juice is way easier with tongs! Whoa! More! That'll be enough to go around! Thank you, brother! Hi! Are you having lunch? Oh, it's hot! I need a pot holder! A poppet will work! Great idea! A boiled egg for you! And me! I never liked peeling eggs! Hold on! You just don't know how! Wrap the eggs in tape, crack the shell, and you can just remove it along with the tape! Whoa! That's genius! I'm hungry! Are we out of pasta? I know what to do! I need eggs and flour! Mix 3 eggs with 3 spoons of flour! Put a bag in a glass and pour the batter in! Close it and make holes in the bag over boiling water. The batter goes in the water and turns into pasta. Arnold found a quick way to draw his favorite character. You just have to cover a picture with a sheet of paper and trace the lines. Done! Clean dishes. Water! Arnold, help! The pipe is leaking!
Oh my God.
I'll fix it! Pop tube! Really? Works every time! Done! Thanks! The dough is ready. I just need to roll it out. There's no rolling pin, just a pop tube. Works fine. And if you need a bigger rolling pin, just pull the pop tube. It'll do an amazing job. It's bedtime. Oh, my arm is asleep. A pop tube massage should help. Thanks. It actually did. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what life hack you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.